very much again, Derek and Ian.
Good afternoon, everyone. Are you hearing me? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
Novia, thank you for this opportunity. I remember when Novia called my dad the evening to introduce me about Jamaica Food Awards. And my dad declined, and I quickly reacted and said, Dad, no worries, I will take care of this. I am honored. I'm really honored to be here to share Hal's manufacturing growth, our history, how we started, how we position our brand, our challenges, and our future plans. Our CEO and founder, Mr. Carlton Watson, began working in a similar manufacturing industry in 1986. After gaining the experience in the sector, his dream was to start his own business after 13 years in the industry. His passion in the industry was so strong, he took the risk and started something small for himself in his backyard with one mixing tank, a bag of sugar to produce his first product, Hal's bulk syrup at the time. The product was sold in neighborhoods, to nearby businesses, post office, and even from the roof of his car at times. Hal's Manufacturing Limited was officially registered in 1999. Carlton combined his letter of his name with Annette is my mother, and Lisa, me, to form the name Hal's. Yes, and that's the three of us. 2 years later, after producing syrup, Hal's began selling in bulk to wholesalers and retailers, and then onto larger supermarkets. More products such as lime juice, vinegar were streamlined into production. Real Vibes Party Wine, or Real Vibes Party Rum, as most people will call it, entered the market in 2007. Sorry. The refreshing bag drink took the market in Style Storm in 2008. In 2009, Hal's most successful product was brought on board, the Hal's tomato ketchup. This product has actually helped put the company on the map locally due to an aggressive marketing campaign at the time. And as the company expanded, so did demand, prompting management to add a distribution line of basic food items, such as bottled water, hot pepper sauce, mackerel, corned beef, and coconut milk powder. That's just an image of all our products. We manufacture and distribute a total of 12 products. Hal's Manufacturing is solely responsible for the manufacture and distribution of our products. We manufacture 7 and distribute 5. Our manufacturing line includes Hal's fruit-flavored syrup, ketchup, bag drink, vinegar, lime juice, fruit wine, and Real Vibes Party Wine. Our distribution line includes corned beef, mackerel, hot pepper sauce, coconut milk powder, and bottled spring water. And we have some new products to be introduced on the market in October next month, October this year. Hal's baked and broad beans. Company facts. Some fun facts about Hal's. We have roughly 230 employees. Ketchup is 60% of our sales. It is our most successful product. Our tagline is totally different from our company line. Our ketchup tagline, is totally different from our company line. It's richer, thicker, and more affordable ketchup. Real Vibes Party Wine won Breakthrough Product of the Year by the Jamaica Manufacturer Association in 2009. And Hal's is the largest manufacturer of bag drink in Jamaica. We produce over 20,000 dozens of bag drinks daily. Okay. It's not on the slide, but I'm going to share with you briefly how we position our brand. First one, aggressive guerrilla marketing. Mr. Watson interacts heavily with his consumers on a daily basis and build relationships with them. We also position our brand as the most affordable and better quality option on the market. As our tagline states, we're quality joint affordability. In the manufacturing industry, we are faced with a number of challenges, especially during COVID. Some of our challenges include, our major challenges, shortages and delays with our raw materials. Some of our raw materials include sugar, tomato paste, and bottles. Sugar is one of our mostly used ingredients. We use sugar in most of our products. Tomato paste, we use that for our premium product, which are ketchup. So when there are delays with our shipments, when there are delays with sugar, we are forced, as manufacturers, we are forced to borrow from other manufacturers. We are forced to cut our customers' orders. We are forced to reduce number of flavors we produce. On average, we produce 6. Sometimes we have to cut it in 6. We produce a number of average of 12 flavors. Sometimes we have to cut these flavors to 6. Right? And prioritize the most popular flavors. Right now, to date, we are going through a crisis, a worldwide crisis, and that is sugar shortage. Sugar shortage, it's really challenging for us as a manufacturer. With tomato paste, just imagine having no tomato paste to produce your most popular premium best-selling products. Product that is 60% of our sales. That is also a challenge for us. Another challenge, logistics and supply chains issue. Extremely high shipping and freight costs, and also limited human resource to call up in the height of the pandemic. What does this mean? Is that we are thankful that we don't have to lay off any of our workers, right? But challenge is labor shortage. Sometimes our employees just do not show for work any at all. No explanation, nothing. So that's a challenge for us. Labor shortage. It affects our product output. But as a team, we have our regular meetings, we submit our reports, we forecast, we plan ahead, we take calculated risks and come up with solutions. And trust me, Mr. Watson, my dad, he always have a solution to every problem. Future plans. One of our future plans that we're working on right now is to go public in a few years. Reasons why Mr. Watson wants to go public and why we want to go public as a company: for succession planning, continuity, business continuity, raise capital to help with future developments, improve our company financial position, and Mr. Watson's dream is to be listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Also, to expand our business operations by adding new products. To export internationally. We do export on a small scale, meaning persons will come in, purchase our products in large quantities and export to countries such as Cayman Islands, British Virgin Islands, some parts of the UK, some parts of the US, and Canada. And also, we want to construct our own manufacturing plants, because right now, presently, we are located on Marcus Garvey Drive. We lease a total of 48,000 square feet of factory space. That's equivalent to 3 factories. And we just want to be as a place of growth and development for our employees and customers. Carlton had a vision, stuck through it to the ups and downs, establishing a strong brand in all arts of Jamaica. Okay, these are some clips of what goes on in our factory on a daily basis. That's where they're manually boxing the ketchup. That's that side is the line, production line. That's yellow side.
Lisa, let me ask you this.
Okay.
How easy was it for you to join the family business?
It was pretty easy. I had no choice. I'm the only child for my parents. I had no choice. I literally had no choice. I had to start from the bottom,
Yes.
right up. I'm now the director of administration and finance. I started as an account clerk. Yes, I hated it, but I respect and I appreciate my father, how he managed to show me through the business. He had to start it from the bottom, right up, to learn and to understand. It really wasn't easy, but I appreciate it now. At first, I hated it so much. I hated to work there. I wasn't interested in working with the company at all. But now I understand and I respect his hard work, his sacrifices. You know.
Good afternoon, Andrew Laidley, business reporter, Jamaica Observer. So I've witnessed, just from the video that you showed a while ago, a lot of manual processes, right? And I'm hearing that you're going to be constructing a new manufacturing plant. What are your plans to include more automation into your production processes?
What are my plans? Okay. We are now working on new machinery, right? Next month we have a packaging show that as a team, we're going to in Chicago, where we're going to visit and look at new machineries. Why you see a lot of manual? You see a lot of manual going on because we have more than one machine for ketchup, so we split it up. Some do manual, some do, and the machine, what we do on the production. Did I answer your question?
You did, but also can we expect more automation at the new manufacturing plant?
Yes, sure, definitely. Any more questions?
I'm sure we are all, if not saying it to each other, but thinking it. Do you see yourself succeeding your dad in the company?
Yes. My dad loved to use the term, Lisa, you are the future.
Okay.
So, yes, I enjoy working alongside with him. We have a regular discussion meeting in how we are going to grow as a company, all of that. So, yes.
Okay, the ketchup being your biggest profit earning, right? Do you think of another flavor apart from tomato?
No. No, I don't kind of dig in the flavor.
Okay, and also since tomato is grown in Jamaica, you think of taking tomato and make your own tomato paste?
No,
It's
we
too
didn't have a
expensive?
plan. Yes, it is too expensive, and we're comfortable with using tomato paste, honestly.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Nova, Annette,
Yes.
60% of the total sales come from the ketchup, right?
Yes.
And I've noticed that a particular person, controversial person, was used to market, to put out that product, Oral Tracy.
Yes.
All right, so knowing that, are you planning to use Oral some more so that more of the products may be out there so that it may increase sales also? Is that a possibility?
Yes, it is a possibility, but for now we are just sticking with Oral. Oral Tracy for now. Any more questions for me?
Lisa, what would your advice be to the students here who look at you? They've heard you say that you started at the bottom, but it went in one and came out the next. What would your advice be to that person?
All right. My advice to students is to stay motivated. All right. Stay motivated. Be humble. Be prepared. You know what I mean? Always strive to be on top.
just say this. I know a little bit about this business. Carl's is actually one of Caribbean Flavors' big customers.
Yes.
But they didn't start as a big customer. Caribbean Flavors actually sell nothing less than a gallon. And we don't mind, Mr. Watson don't mind we telling this story. When they started, when Carl started, he couldn't even buy a gallon of the product. Now remember, it's the flavors we sell now, so a gallon is quite a bit. Right? You couldn't even buy a gallon. So you buy half a gallon, sometimes a liter. That is where that business started from. You have to understand the success that this business really is. You know, it's an incredible success. You know? And we also want to add our voice to congratulate Carl's on the incredible success. Mr. Watson would go drive around the island. By the way, he does this thing himself, you know. He has his own distribution strategy, and he goes around the island himself and gets into the stores and get his products in. There's no substitute for hard work. Absolutely no substitute for hard work.
Thank you very much. There is no substitute for hard work, and on September the 29th, next week Thursday, Cows will be presented with the Tabletop Food Awards Lifetime Achievement Award. Thank you very much.
I have a question. So, I am currently the Deputy EAC of Irvine Hall and UWI campus, and I want to, generally, like in the December region, when we have exams, we do a thing called exam recharge, where we feed the students on campus because they don't really have time to cook for themselves. So if we reach out to you guys, will you assist us?
Definitely. We are always trying to
We allow you to use the Observer platform.
So, in Jamaicans' everyday life, we normally would mix the tomato ketchup with the hot sauce. So, by any chance, would you guys like to create or bring forth a spicy ketchup?
We are thinking about it. You know, it's their plan. Maybe next year, because we already have a lot of products that we're dealing with now by the end of this year. But it's different in the plan. So yes, we're looking into that.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Lisa, I just want to take the time to, really big you up, encourage you that as a young woman, right, stepping in the world that you are. I remember in our young days, it used to be manipulated by men. And for you to step up to the plate, to want to carry on your father's dream, I just want to encourage you, right? And we are really thankful for you as a woman that, you know your place, you know your purpose, and that you are not afraid of the challenges to come.
Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for sharing with us. I particularly like your tagline. Could you go back to that slide, please?
Sure. Which one of them are, well, only one tagline.
Yes, where quality joins affordability. So I wanted to ask you this question. How important is quality for you as a company? And you would have mentioned that you see yourself exporting into new markets. Are you currently certified in any quality management system, and where do you see yourself in the future?
I'm glad you mentioned that. Currently, we are going through a system called ASA certification. This is management of food safety related risks. So we are now in the process of that to prepare us for export. Yes, so.
Yes, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I must say I congratulate you as a young woman in the field. also like to say my grandson only bad juice he uses cows. And I'm honest. And I bought a bag of fruit juice, and I said, let me try one. I noticed that the sugar content is very low, very based on the Ministry of Education.
Yes.
And I noticed, and I said I didn't like that one. I prefer the other one. And my daughter only buys the cow's ketchup, and that's how I got to know it.
All right, thank you. Any more questions?
Thank you very much, Lisa. We'll see
Thank
you next week.
you.